Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Ken Omolo, okay, and today I want us guys to trade together. It's the 12th of May 2021 on a Wednesday, okay. Should I also talk about the weather? It's cold outside, okay. So I'm trading from home on my phone. So for those who want to start trading and would like to trade with me, head over to june.co.ke, okay. So if you'd like to trade with me, just head over to uh, open Chrome on your website, head over to June. Open Chrome on your phone and head over to june.co.ke. Then on june.co.ke, just scroll a little bit to the bottom and click on register. Okay. So when you click on that registration button at the bottom, you'll be redirected to this page. Okay. So if you don't have an account, just sign up by entering your email address and your password. Set your password, confirm that you are 18 years of age and above, and click on the free registration button to create your account. If you're using a phone, an Android phone, and you'd like to get the application, just click on the get it on Google Play Store button here, and you'll get your Olimtrade mobile app. Alternatively, you can click on download on Play Store, that button over there, and get your new account. So a new account in Olimtrade comes with 10,000 demo units. You can see it here. So now this is a demo account with 10,000 demo units. For new accounts, that is what you'll get, and you can use that money. You can use the $10,000 to trade on real market conditions without risking any of your real cash. Okay, so the demo account is very beneficial for new traders. If you are a new trader in Olimtrade and you'd like to learn how to trade without risking any of your cash, then head over to june.co.ke, create your account. You'll get the demo account with 10,000 demo units. If you don't want to go through that entire process, just go to the link on the description of this video, click on it, and you'll be redirected to Olimtrade to create your account. So my live account, however, has so much money. So you may be wondering, how do I cope up with Ken? How do I get to that level or all that stuff? Okay, so the minimum deposit in Olimtrade is only $10. So if you have $10, you can begin trading in Olimtrade. Okay, the minimum deposit is $10. The minimum trade amount is $1. Okay, so trading is different. There are different categories of traders. There is beginners, there is intermediate traders, there are expert traders. So depending on the level that you fall on and your count size, don't risk what I'm risking. Okay, so example, you can see here at the bottom here, you'll see that for my next trade I want to risk $600.02. Okay, that is what I can afford. So that is what I'll risk. If you have a $10 account, you can trade with $1. You can trade with $2. Okay. If you have an $100 account, you can trade with $1, $2, three, or even five. Okay, it's okay. But don't blow the entire account trying to compete with me. Okay. We are different. My account size is different. Yours is different. Okay. I have so much money. If you have an equivalent of what I have, go ahead and risk the same amount that I'm risking. Otherwise, the strategy that we are going to use today is called the barcode strategy. For those who don't know the barcode strategy and have never used it, it's a VIP strategy in Olimtrade. You can see it here. Okay, so I'll just head over to strategies and disable whatever is already on the chart. Then we do it afresh. Okay. So if you are new to volume trade and you'd like to set your chart like mine and trade with the strategy that I'm using, change the chart time frame to 1 minute, okay, and make sure that it is on the Japanese candlestick chart type. Okay, the next thing that you want to do is to set the duration to either 1 minute or 2 minutes. I'll trade with 1 minute, but you can do up to 2 minutes on this strategy. Then the third thing that you want to do, if you are a VIP, just head over to the indicators tab, click on strategies and activate barcode. Okay, so for those who are not VIP traders in volume trade, you can just click on the indicators tab again, click on oscillators and select the marker. Okay, so I'll just enable mine here. So I'll just repeat that again. If you are not a VIP, if you have a $10 account or an $100 account and you'd like to trade with this strategy, just click on this button here, go to oscillators and activate the marker. Okay, make sure that the standard settings are maintained, that is 1 for the zero line, and you can change these to histogram or to curve. Just make sure that you don't overcomplicate things. If you want to maintain the same chart like mine, just maintain the standard settings. Okay, so now for us to trade with this strategy, we'll be looking at two things. Okay, our signals will come from two things. One is from the chart, the Japanese candlestick chart. So if you see that the candlesticks that are forming are red, and the bar on the marker tool here, example here, you can see that these bars are forming below the 0.5 line. You can see another one has just formed below the 0.5 line. Then that is a signal for you to trade down on that market. An alternative would be to trade on the upside. So you look for these candlesticks, the green candlesticks, and the bar forming above the 0.5 line. Okay, so I hope that you guys have understood that. So now let's wait for our signal before we continue trading. So again, you want to make sure that when you're trading, you trade immediately you see that signal. Okay, that way you get enough time for the market to react and to lock you in on the money if you win. Okay, so currently the market is trending downwards. We can see that there was an upward trend here for some minutes, then it took a downward direction. So again, if for confirmation, we can also use support and resistance, but that would be overburdening the new traders who are just joining us today. So tomorrow we'll talk about support and resistance, because if we were doing it, then we'd set our resistance level here and the support level here. Yeah, yes, right about there, somewhere here. So that way we'd obviously wait to see if there is a breakout on this level here and trade on the opposite direction, and or also wait to see if there is a breakout on the support level and trade on the down direction. Okay, but for now let's just use the two signals that we have, that is for the candlestick and for the chart. Okay, so we see there is a signal that has just come up here, but there is still some indecision on that market. However, you can also confirm with the sentimental indicator here. We see that 74% of traders that are currently on the platform are trading above, are buying into that market. Okay, then we can see that the sellers are not so much active on the platform. They are not selling as much. So it means that we have a strong uptrend that is continuing. So let's wait for these to end in 6 seconds, to finish its formation in 6 seconds, then we can trade on the next signal. So if you've not subscribed to our channel, head over to go ahead and click on that subscription button. Also make sure that you turn on that notification bell so that next time when we post a video for Limtrade, you'll get notified first. Okay, for those who don't have an account, again I'll repeat, you can head over to our website, that is june.co.ke, and create your account here, or alternatively I'll leave a link on the description of this video. You can click on that link to create your trading account. We still don't have a definite signal. We can already see that here we had the green one forming, but then it took some time for the green candlestick to form to confirm our signal. And here now we have a red, we have a go on the red side, on the downside, but then this candlestick is still green, so we don't want to get confused, so we'll just wait and wait and wait. That is how I make my money. If you want to get impatient and waste your money, go ahead and do it. Personally, I'll just wait until I'm sure that the market is okay for me to trade, then I'll go in on it. Okay, so let's give it one more second. For those who would like to join my VIP trading signals group on Telegram, go ahead and search for June Online on Telegram. You'll find us there. You'll see our logo. Join, it's free to join. Let's give it more time. Remember, I'm trading with $600. I don't want to waste that money. That's why I'm taking my time. Now I've got it. I've entered the market a little late, but that is just okay. I've talked too much and forgot that I was waiting for green and green. We got green and we got green. And now we give it time. You can see the progress of that trade here. 36 seconds left. Eight seconds left. And that is how we've just made over $500 in just a few seconds. Yeah. So we've moved from 19,600 to 2,140. So that's how easy it is to make money. That's how easy it is, but you have to be patient. You have to be patient and be in the right mind when you're making that decision. Okay, so we can wait and wait and wait for the other signal and open a trade on the direction that we get the signal on. So I'm hoping that today, if you've just joined us today and you're a new trader, you've learned something new, how to trade with the barcode strategy. The only thing that is very important other than getting the signals is patience. Yeah, so take your time. You can open up to 10 different kinds of trades. You can open up to 10. Okay, so I've seen there is a pin buy here, which means that the continuation of that uptrend is looming, so we just give it a little more time and try to see if that happens. The pin bar can be formed on two different scenarios. One, when you are expecting a trend reversal, like we can see here, there is the sellers are already pushing down the market. They are trying to claim it from buyers. You can see that on the sentimental indicator, we were already at 75%. Buyers were 75% in, and now they are only 73 and 72. So sellers are continuing to push the market downwards. Okay, so they'll continue to push until there's an equilibrium in that market. So we will just give it time. So now there is a very nice signal that was almost forming there. If we entered that, I'm not sure we'd have won so much money. So we'll do $50.38 on the next trade. Okay, in fact, let's do 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still waiting. So I'll continue waiting until I get the right spot to trade on this next one. If you are with me on this, then I hope you're also making money. If you are not making money, head over to Telegram, okay, and join our signals group. That is June Online. If you don't have an account in Olymtrade, you know what you do. Click on the link on the description of this video, or head over to june.co.ke and create your new Olymtrade account. It comes with 10,000 demo units for those who create new accounts. It comes with 10,000 demo units, which you can use to practice on the real market conditions without risking any coin. Okay, the unfortunate thing about trading with the demo account is you don't get to withdraw that money. You can make so much on the demo account, but it's money that you cannot withdraw. So if you want money that you can withdraw, make sure you deposit some cash into that new account. So if you deposit, you'll activate the live account, and when you activate the live account, when you make money on the live account, you can withdraw everything. Plus, when you deposit, you can also decide to take bonuses on those deposits. Okay, so when you're making the deposit, make sure that if you want deposit bonus, you also activate that. So there is a formation that is almost certain here. There is a descending triangle that is forming here. Okay, so if it does, then we'll wait for a breakout that should happen on the support level, and if that happens, then we expect that the downtrend continuation will happen, and you can make money on that. Okay, so if we had those support and resistance levels, then it would be something like this. Yeah, so is it a triangle? Yes, a falling triangle. Okay, then our breakout would happen here, and we'd trade on this direction. Okay, so there are a lot of very many ways to kill this rat. We can burn the entire house, we can slash it, we can choke it, we can catch it and put it inside the deep freezer, whatever. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so probably if we went with the a falling triangle, the descending triangle, then we'd have seen that breakout happening here. Then that would mean that we trade on the downtrend. So again, we can still wait for that candlestick to finish for me. Then we can open our trade on the next candlestick if the signal allows us to do that. Okay, so let's wait for these. 3 2 1 0. Okay. Let's wait. Yes, sir. So we've gone in $40 on that, 40.4. So we can confirm that trade. Yeah. Okay. The lesson is be patient. Be patient. Wait for it. Tempting as it is to enter the market and to open as many trades, don't do it. Just wait. Okay. We have 20 seconds left. Seems we are going to lose that one. But that's okay. We made for $540. We lost $40. Okay. So we still have a profit of $500. So we wait for the next signal. We wait and wait. If we get it, we trade on it. Okay. So guys, do you want us to continue with this? Because now I'm feeling angry. I've just lost $40 on that trade, and happens there is indexation in that market. We'd have won on that. It's still a downtrend. So maybe we can do $100 already. Imetupita. We'd have done $100 on that here, then we would be in the money. You can also see on the sentimental indicator that sellers have continued to push, and they are almost taking over the market. Okay. This is a huge jump. You would have made money on that. So until next time, bye bye. Make sure that you trade responsibly. If you're new to Olim Trade, use the demo account. If you're using a live account, make sure that you trade amounts that you'd be comfortable losing. Don't trade with so much money if you are not comfortable losing so much money. Okay. You want us to close on with this trade. Yeah? I have some other things that I need to do, and plus I've already made more than $500 if we end the market with that, and if we don't, then it means that I'll make more. So we've made more, So we've made like an extra $50, so that is $550 in profits for today, and I'm very grateful for that. So I'll close for the day. And do it again tomorrow. If you want to trade with me tomorrow, make sure you create your account with the link on the description of this video. After you've done that, make sure that the next thing that you do is you fund your account. After you've funded it, subscribe to this channel, click on the link on the description, click on that notification button, and ensure that you are at par with everybody, so that tomorrow when we begin trading, everyone is on the same page. Okay, until next time, bye bye. I'm Kenomolo signing out.